today's video based on English fundamentals. So, one person asking me in the comment box, what is the main root of English language? Or not only English language, I want to learn any sort of language, any kind of language. So, what is the main formula to improve English or any sort of language very fast? So, can you tell me this formula? I am not answering it and I'm laughing because if you want to learn any kind of language or any sort of language, that behind a lot of efforts and like daily basis practice, that's it. That not so some formula and like whatever. So in this video we will discuss how to learn English. Okay, so don't waste our ample of the times, don't waste significant time. So let's get on today's topic. Let's begin. Okay, so English is just a language. Like you have to be learn any sort of language. So you have the capacity to learn to to maintain our consistency every day. That is the power of learn any sort of language. That's it. And you have this chance, you have this opportunity, you have some time. So let's start today the learning practice. That's me. The first step that you have to do, listen carefully, every sentence, every particular words that you have to listen carefully. That is the fundamental technique. Which kind of language you have to learn, you have been firstly decided, like I want to learn English language, and second one is I want to learn in Hindi language or Telugu. That's I don't have this language, so I want to learn. So must you have to must listen carefully any sort of words. Okay, this is the necessary thing which is you have to follow. Then second one is you have to be in practice every single day. Like you are able to think in English, you have been understand English, but you can't speak English, right? So this problem face a lot of people, like whatever. Okay, so just you have to do read English every single day. That is the main practice, which is including our English journey, English daily base. And don't excuse like I don't have much time, don't like I'm not able to read English. Just you have to start like reading is enough. Okay, so you have to be read every single day. And like this is the main formula or just technique you have to be follow every single day. Number three technique is lot of recruiters they forget this technique, and this technique I had follow in my beginners of day, and this technique which is made me very fluent speaker in English. And this technique is very much time you have to be apply, which is speaking. Okay, lot of people, lot of students, lot of recruiters they forget this technique, and that's why they are not achieve our English speaking goal. Okay, so like you know you are uh, learn a lot of vocabulary, you are speaking, like you are remember a lot of phrases very much time, but like this is not some enough. You are forgetting this technique, not speaking every single day very much time, so you has been not able to speak English very fastly. Okay, like speaking is the most important technique which is made me fluent speaker, and this is the most important as well as necessary thing that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so you have to been follow this rule to improve English very fast, and not this is a common question like you are asking me, but you have to been follow this rule as well. The consistency is maintaining your consistency and do to work on our English base daily basis of your English journey. Okay, this is the necessary thing that you have to input every single day. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. That's you are watching this video very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. And my humble request guys for you, don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like, one share and one subscribe give me a lot of motivate and give me a lot of inspire to record myself and make a lot of more and more video on my channel. Okay, that's help to you guys as well as me. So don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.